Yeah, please. Yeah, 7 students voluntarily. 7 students voluntarily. Quickly. I don't have time. Please. Yes. So we'll have role plays. Please come this side. Come this side, please. This side. 7. How many boys? 1, 2, 3, 4. आजा आजा दोनों 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 उसका ही देखो चलो आजा so we have two role plays right one is selling pens and then there is okay this one we'll go with one only right one by one we can't have together otherwise there will be a little chaos fine so for selling pens there is owner, customer and sales executive. अच्छा ये three we need three students. Customer आएगा Quickly, now we have another. Yes, we'll see. There is another. Again the customer. Yeah. Can you tell us? I mean, what was the positive part while selling? You addressed your friends. हाँ. 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 Okay. Fine. What else? Anything else you could notice? You were having a variety of pens with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What else? Okay, they were purchased. I appreciate. They were purchased. But then उन्होंने बोला क्या बोला कि पेन कैसे I mean how it's going to तो आपने दे दिया ना? You have given it. Are you getting my point? So it was very much easy. So you were having something tangible hand in hand, as simple as it is. And then the customer had some grievances, I mean had some issues, had some thoughts in mind, and you were able to address it because you were carrying pens, variety of pens, and then please take it. Are you getting my point? Okay, yes. Yeah, can you both tell us? Okay. So customer came to your business, and then she asked for some service. So, is it that much easy? Be practical. Is it that much easy if the customer, you have 10 services, and then you have to tell customer, these are the services. Now, can you tell me, is it that much easy to make understand?
प्रोडक्ट कॉन्शियस होते हैं बेसिकली कस्टमर्स बहुत ज़्यादा तो उनको समझाना किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो सकता है क्योंकि उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक दूसरे के दिमाग में पहुंच होती है और प्रेशर होती है किसी प्रोडक्ट को लेके
Okay.
उसको इन्फ्लुएंस करने से और प्रोडक्ट के लिए
Fine. So you can just understand where was the kind of some challenge as compared to good. He was carrying some good in hand. But then service.
पर्सनल हमारा टच होता है सर्विसेज में बट गुड्स में गुड्स दे दिया हमने
So you have 10 services. Is there anything you can tell, sir? Please check this. Was it possible? Like he has given shown good pen to him. Was it possible for you? समझा सकते हैं. Excellent. Okay, that makes point. जब वो only when both the customers, since Manshika had experienced it earlier, then only she feels excited. When only she received treatment, then only she became. Are you getting my point? But it was not possible the moment she came. As simple as it is. Are you getting my point? Right? So this. Okay, you have anything to say, please? Okay. called intangibility, right? Intangibility. So he was carrying pens, that is, and they were carrying services. As simple. That was not tangible, right? So intangible in nature. There is something called perishability. Perishability. It is kind of a one shot. It cannot be, you cannot come back. You cannot, as simple as it is. That means you have to be perfect. You have to try to be best the very first time. Right? Because you cannot come back, as simple as it is. You cannot store it. Can you store it? You can store pen somewhere. You can use it later. But then the moment service is given, as simple as it is. Right? There is something called inseparability. There is something called यूएस में पेन बन रहा है, चाइना चला गया, आप लोग पोस्ट डॉक के लिए वहां पे जा रहे हो चाइना, आपने वहां से पेन लाया, कश्मीर का यहाँ पे टीचर है, आपने उसको गिफ्ट किया, ठीक है? किसने बनाया, किसने यूज किया? I mean, there is something called separability. Production and consumption can take different. But then when it comes to services, there is something called inseparability. Customer as well as producer have to be, you cannot separate them, as simple as it is. Right? There is something called variability. Now what is variability? Changing. Because आप देख नहीं सकते हो, टच नहीं कर सकते हो. There is something called consistency is a challenge. Are you getting my point? Is it clear? आप डिटो, आप कितनी सारे यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट्स देख रहे हो, डिटो. ये मोबाइल दूसरे के पास भी डिटो, इट इज सेम. अभी मैं इनको वापस ले आऊँ, you never know जो इनने पहले सर्विस दी, there will be difference. Because आपने उसको, you cannot say it, you cannot